You're not lazy. If you can scroll for hours but can't focus for 20 minutes, that's not laziness, that's overstimulation. Your brain is overloaded, and no one ever told you it was happening. Part 1. The illusion of laziness. You wake up. You check your phone, just for a minute. One notification, one short video, one scroll. And suddenly, it's 30 minutes later. Now, you don't feel like doing anything important, so you call yourself lazy. But here's the truth. Lazy people don't feel guilty. You do, which means you care. And if you care, something else is going on. Part 2. Your brain on modern dopamine. Your brain was designed for survival, not endless entertainment. Every time you scroll, watch, swipe, refresh, your brain gets a small dopamine hit. And dopamine isn't pleasure, it's motivation. It tells your brain, this is important, do it again. Now think about this. You give your brain 200 tiny rewards before you even start your day. So what do you think happens when it's time to study, or work, or build something meaningful? Those tasks feel slow, boring, heavy, because they can't compete with instant reward. Part 3. Why normal life feels empty. Overstimulation changes your baseline. The more intense the input, the less satisfying normal life feels. That's why a 10-second video feels exciting, but reading a page feels exhausting. A fast game feels fun, but practicing a skill feels painful. Your brain adapts, and it adapts fast. What used to be enough is no longer enough. So you crave more stimulation, more scrolling, more noise, more distraction. And slowly, your attention span shrinks. Part 4. The hidden cycle. Here's the dangerous part. The more overstimulated you become, the harder meaningful work feels. And the harder meaningful work feels, the more you avoid it. The more you avoid it, the more guilty you feel. And guilt makes you want to escape. So you scroll again. This isn't laziness, it's a feedback loop, and most people are stuck in it. Part 5. The emotional truth. You don't lack discipline, you lack recovery. Your brain is tired, not from effort, but from constant input. Silence feels uncomfortable now. Boredom feels unbearable. But boredom isn't the enemy. Boredom is your brain recalibrating, and most people never give it the chance to happen. Part 6. How to reset your brain. You don't need extreme discipline. You need small resets. Start simple. First, no phone for 30 minutes after waking up. Protect your brain before the world invades it. Second, do hard tasks before entertainment, not after. Because once you stimulate your brain, willpower drops. Third, practice intentional boredom. Sit. No music, no scrolling, no distraction. Just 10 minutes. It will feel uncomfortable. That's how you know it's working. You're lowering your dopamine baseline. And when that baseline lowers, normal life becomes interesting again. Part 7. The shift. Imagine this. You wake up. No phone. You start one small task, just 5 minutes. You build momentum, and then motivation appears. Not before action, after action. That's how the brain works, not through hype, through movement. Ending. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. You're not broken. You're overloaded. And the moment you control what enters your mind, you take back control of your focus, your discipline, your life. Silence is power. Boredom is medicine, and your brain is waiting to reset.